चलिए नेक्स्ट पार्ट को, इस पार्ट को हम लोग इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं और आगे बढ़ते हैं, ठीक है। सो हियर वी हैव अ पे नाउ बटन एंड whenever we click on this button, we have to jump into another page that is nothing but payuform JSP, payuform.jsp. This one is payuform, yes, page name is payuform.jsp. okay, so जब हम लोग सबमिट करें तो हमें डेटा भी भेजना है, तो चलिए हम जंप करते हैं इस पेज पे, जिस पेज का नाम है कार्ट आइटम्स डॉट JSP. सो लेट्स जंप इनटू कार्ट आइटम्स. Cart items over here. So we have list of items and here's the pay now button. Here is the pay now button, this one, pay now. Okay, and do we have a form? No, we don't have form. We have to send data by URL, so we're gonna use a TD button over here, anchor tag, href. I'm gonna close it. Let's jump into pay now payform.jsp and let's just close it, this one, or you can just close it here, slash button, and just copy the class of that btn lg x and paste it over here. Control V, and now right here pay now, and again jump into button. We don't need button now, just remove it, or shift F control save. Let's just check it out, the output. Obviously we have to re-log in, and because my laptop was shut down for some time. And pay now, oh wow, it's active. Pay now button, it's over. Let's click on it, and we have jumped into that page. There's nothing but our pay now payuform.jsp. okay, so what we have to do here, we have to fill all the data over here. Otherwise what you can do, you can get the data from the page, I mean previous page, I mean from here. You have both the option, right? You can, if you want, you can set data like amount something, we're gonna pass like this, first name Aluk, email Pandiji something, and phone 8976, you know that, right? 110254, and product info, if you need some product info over here. So in the sense product name, whatever the people are purchasing, success URL, failure URL, last name, blah blah blah. So what we have to do now, we have to set all the data from previous page from here. So otherwise what you can do, you can get all the data. Let's take it from parameter, that will be better. So let's jump into again card items.jsp, and in this page over here we have to use question mark. What we have to use here, we have to use first name, amount. First of all, let's pass amount, okay, and second equal to, so we're going to use expression tag over here, and we're going to use equal to, and we have total, right? We have total. Do we have? Yes, we have total. Okay, and what next? We need an object of user, in the sense whatever the user is logged in, that user object. So let's just get that from session. So where should I write? Over here. Let's just write over here. So first of all, here we're going to use session dot get attribute, dot get attribute, and then attribute name is signed. I don't know what we have stored. Let's jump into login controller and just check it out. And here we have source packages, controller, and here is the sign in controller, not sign out, sign in controller. And here we have used the key as a sign up. We have set attribute sign up, control C, control W. So we're gonna pass over here, control V, and again we're gonna set here sign up, control V, equal to, let's just typecast it first of all. So we're gonna typecast it by sign up bean, very good. And here what we need, control C, or shift F, like that. So very good. Now we have to put another data here. So let's just add all this stuff over here. So amount is done, amount ho gaya hai. Let's add ampersand symbol. In the sense we're gonna concatenate other keywords. So we have first name, first underscore name, first name equal to let's just check the key, whatever we have passed here, control F, first name is first name, right, control C, and that is optional, it depends on yes, first name, very good, first name. Now here we can again use expression tag over here, first name equal to something, so question mark percent, not 3 times, equal to, and we're gonna use sign up object, that is sign up dot get name, this one, and again email, we need email to, comma, ampersand, email equal to, it should be ampersand, not comma. Again expression, equal to, what is equal to, and sign up, again sign up dot get email. Next we need contact, so again you have to use ampersand, you have to use contact. Let's see, we have used contact or number, phone, right? So let's see, email, it's phone, keyword is phone, so we're gonna use control V, equal to, expression tag again, equal to, should be sign up dot get, should be contact over here. What else? Again ampersand, and this time we have to use product info, success URL, and failure URL. So you can pass it from here, otherwise you can directly set over here, success URL and failure URL you can set over here. And obviously you can set like success dot URL, payment success, payment failure. You can use two JSP pages. Otherwise you can use only single JSP pages, but you can separate it by the data that will be sent by PayUmoney. So product info is nothing but the product name whatever we are sending. So product info should be like, again let's just check it over here. Phone amount, product info, the keyword is product info, control C, control V, equal to the, let's see, the product name. So we have multiple products, right? So we don't have only one product. So what we have to do, we have to use multiple product. So that time what we can do, we can send IDs, multiple IDs, or it's better to send multiple IDs with comma, right? So we're gonna pass over here, what should be, lit integer pass in product bean. This one is product bean, so we need pb.get id or get name, right? ID and name. So instead of what should we send? So let's just send the product info, in the sense product का detail बोलते हैं, product का name भेजते हैं, सारे product के name comma लगा के. So let's create a string over here. Let's create a string over here. String p names semicolon or equal to, by default is blank, but over here we're gonna use p string p names over here, plus equal to, what are you gonna use, plus equal to pb dot get name, its title, right? Get title. Get what? Get product title. Get title. Cool. So Alt Shift F, Control C, and now we're gonna pass over here product title. Product title. Where is product title? Over here. Let's see. Question mark. % equal to p title. P names. Home. And what else we have to do? We can set commas. We can set over here commas, multiple time commas. So I'm gonna pass over here plus double quotes के अंदर comma. So after every product we need a comma. So something just like that. I want something just like that. But again, failure URL and success URL. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set failure and success URL over here. So we have product info, we have success URL, so we're gonna use value and we're gonna set over here. So do we have a SURL in you can send it by www something. Let's send it by, यहीं से हम लोग भेज देते हैं सक्सेस एंड फेलियर यूआरएल भी. So what are you gonna do, it's cart items. So we have next parameter is nothing but ampersand FURL equal to something. So what should be that something? It should be like http www http blah blah blah. So we're gonna use bitsinfotech.com, either success or failure, whatever. So we're gonna use bitsinfotech.com, control C, either success either failure. We're gonna set over here, control V, and again same as for failure. So we're gonna use ampersand and FURL equal to control V. Okay, for both, just for our reference. For let's jump into website designing. If it's failed, we're gonna use this URL, control C, and otherwise we're gonna use we cannot use this URL because let's jump, contact us URL will be better. This one, control C and control V, right? Pretty good. So we have success URL, we have failure URL. If you need extra data over here, you can send from this from this parameter, I mean last name, address, city and all this. So we're gonna send UDF1 because I have to send what? We have to send the IDs of all the products. So we have to concatenate all the IDs and we have to send it by this UDF1, right? So let's check it out. We're gonna use UDF1. So for that, what we have to do, comma, instead of comma you have to use ampersand, again UDF1. Let's check it again. Do we have UDF1? Yes, this one. Control C, Control V equal to, we're gonna set all the IDs. So again we're gonna use expression tag. For expression tag, what we need to do, we have to percent equal to, and we're gonna set IDs. Obviously it will be a string, so let's create a string first, and we're gonna create it over here. And equal to, by default it will be blank, but after IDs plus equal to pb dot get ID plus comma and semicolon, or shift tab, control shift save, and let's jump into again. Okay, so what we have to do, nothing. Now let's just try it. So everything is done. If you want, you can disable all these like UDF1 and all these. If you want, you can hide all this stuff, but we'll do all this stuff later. Let's just jump into our page first of all, and we have to set our salt and extra parameter like this one, salt merchant key, action 1 will be set automatically, base utilization. So what we need, so salt and merchant key. So for that we have to log in into our payumoney dot whatever dot JSP or PSP, whatever, we don't care. payu payment failure nahi, control A, Google, login. We need our merchant key and salt. What I want here, that our whenever we click on button, it should jump into the PayuMoney page where we'll get all the way of paying the payment. Yeah, I mean like the debit card, credit card, and even Paytm and Bhim app and all this stuff. So here we have login pandey0@gmail.com. Next, password is SHARLB. I'm not sure this one. Let's see. Login with OTP will be better. There is a bad news for today. Again, I am blocked. प्लीज चेक ईमेल SMS, ना ईमेल आ रहा है मुझे, ना SMS आ रहा है, क्योंकि शायद मैं लेट नाइट को कर रहा हूँ, इस वजह से ऐसा हो सकता है, बट मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे SMS भी रिसीव नहीं हो रहा है। मैंने OTP के थ्रू भी ट्राई किया। सो ये वाला पार्ट मुझे नेक्स्ट ट्राई करना पड़ेगा कल मॉर्निंग। तो मुझे ये दोनों, इस चीज़ के लिए मुझे एक और वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में तो सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा। सो कोई नहीं, आपने अकाउंट बनाया होगा तो आपने इसे बस सेट करना है और ट्राई करना है, अगर आपने अकाउंट बनाया होगा तो। क्योंकि अभी मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, अगर So obviously we're gonna get error, and let's refresh it again. And now let's just check it out. Let's close these tabs, we don't need these tabs. And now let's just pay now. And here we have, look, we have UDF1 ID 67,69. we have success failure URL, and obviously we should have success URL too, but we didn't get that. Let's see why. SURL, right? The name of that URL is SURL, URI SURL FURL. So I'll jump into here. Here we have payuform dot okay phone product info FURL. we don't have SURL, so let's create a SURL. Control C, and obviously over here, and let's add one more ampersand. Control V. So we're gonna pass over here SURL, and then http:/.com/.com. very good. FURL is ready. Okay, we have passed 2 times SURL, that's a bad thing. We have to pass SURL, and here is FURL. very good. Control Shift save, go back, refresh once again, pay now, click on pay now, and here we have SURL, whatever. We have all the records that we require over here. Now let's just submit it. We will get obviously an error that will be nothing but you know what, merchant key and all this stuff. So because ये submit भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि we don't have merchant key installed. So before submission of this page we need a merchant key installed. So we'll do all this stuff in next video, next lecture. That's all for today. Please do all this stuff, and if you have merchant key installed, just copy paste it over here, over here, यहाँ पे. Okay, and now after pasting it here, just try it again. Okay, now if you get the exact output what exactly we want, you can just comment me on that comment section, so that मुझे at least पता चले कि हाँ, you people are working on this project and you people are getting everything and you people are going in the right direction. So do this stuff, whatever I have told you. So let's meet again in the next lecture. That's all for today.